Hello guys, I am Fahim Kamal. I am a CSE student of Pune University of Science and Technology 10th batch, and I welcome you all to my operating system presentation. My presentation topic is deadlock handling, and these are the topics that I am going to discuss today. First of all, what is deadlock? Then the methods of handling deadlock, and finally their description. So what is deadlock? Deadlock is a situation where a set of processes are blocked because each process is holding a resource and waiting for another resource acquired by some other process. Just flow over your head, right? I know. So let me give you a hint. Our question ask phone amartai hangers. I am 99% sure now you know what it is. Now, there are a few methods that you can use to handle deadlock, but these three are the main. So deadlock detection, deadlock prevention, and then ostrich algorithm. This is kind of weird, but the most efficient one is ostrich algorithm. Why is that? Well, you'll know soon enough because I am going to tell you. But let's start with deadlock detection. Deadlock can be detected very easily by the resource scheduler, as it keeps tracks of all the resources that are allocated in different processes. After a deadlock is detected, it can be handled using the given methods. The first one is all the processes that are involved in the deadlock are terminated, which means the progress made by all those processes will also be lost. And the second one is preempt resources from some process and give to others until the deadlock situation is resolved. Let me give you an example. Suppose you and your younger brother is fighting over a remote to watch television, and then suddenly your mother comes in and tells you, be a big brother and give your remote to your brother now. The situation is kind of the same. I'm telling you from the experience, after all I am the younger brother. Now let's move on. Deadlock prevention. In this method, the system checks each transaction before it is even executed to make sure that it does not lead to deadlock. If there is even a slightly possibility that a transaction may lead to deadlock, it is never allowed to execute. And now finally, the ostrich algorithm, the most efficient of them all. Well, in a way. How? Let me tell you. You're seeing this image because the algorithm kind of works the same way as this ostrich bird. So the ostrich algorithm means that the deadlock is simply ignored and it is assumed that it will never occur. So it is simply assumed that the deadlock will never occur and the system is rebooted if it occurs by any chance. Even the most used operating system Windows, the most powerful operating system Linux, and the most expensive operating system Mac, they all uses this algorithm. Even though they have other methods like detecting and preventioning, but they are for developing purpose only. But the end user, which is you, when using that operating system in your PC, laptop or phone, you don't really need. But the big question is, why is that? Well, the answer is very clear. Because the developer made sure that the deadlock never happened. So the thing that is never going to happen or may happen, rare case, for that why waste your time or your resource or the power of your machine when you can use it on your other works that you need to do. Now, if you have any questions, comment section is open, ask me there. Also, if you have any other thoughts or opinion, share it with all of us. If you like the video, then hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching this video. In this pandemic situation, stay home and stay safe. And of course, keep your family safe. Goodbye everyone.